Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ahmed, and today I want to talk about one specific YouTube setting that I think everyone needs to know about. It's a security and privacy setting. It takes less than a minute to change, and the wild thing is that it's turned on by default for most single person who has a YouTube account. And let's be real, most of us have one. Whether you're actively uploading videos or just using YouTube to watch content, you likely have an account tied to your Google profile. So this affects pretty much everyone. Now here's what this setting actually does and why it matters. Inside your YouTube account, there is a feature that allows artificial intelligence to recognize you and associate you with videos, even videos you have never appeared in. AI can essentially mark you as being in a video when you weren't there at all. And if that already sounds uncomfortable, it gets a little worse. It's not just AI that can do this. Other users, regular people who create video and upload videos, can also tag you and mention you in their content. We're talking about video titles, video descriptions, posts, and comments. And YouTube has every kind of content imaginable, including stuff that is embarrassing, misleading, or just content you would never want your name attached to. So the bottom line is, if this setting stays on, your name and profile could show up connected to videos you have zero involvement with, and you might not even know that this is happening. The good news is disabling it is really simple, and I'm going to walk you through it. So grab your phone and then open the YouTube app. In the bottom right of the screen, you will see your profile icon, so go ahead and tap on that. Once you're in your account, look for the upper right corner of the screen and tap on the gear icon to open your settings. From there, find and tap on Privacy. Inside the privacy settings, you will see an option called Allow Users to Mention Me. This is the settings we are turning off. Just tap the toggle to disable it, and that's honestly all there is to it. One small change and you have taken a real step towards protecting your privacy on one of the biggest platforms in the world. If you found this video useful, give this video a like and a share, and consider subscribing so you don't miss tips like this one in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.